So this morning we're in Alexander Basin, and it's one of the approaches up to Gobbler's Knob. You get a view of Raymond over there.
How did you get into ultra running? Let's explore that question on today's adventure in the Wasatch Front, up Alexander Basin to the summit of Gobbler's Knob and around the west side of the mountain back down to the Alexander Basin Trailhead.
Little piece of heaven here. I always say with Alexander Basin, if there was a lake in here, this would be ruined. But the fact there isn't a lake keeps some of the hikers out here. Beautiful.
Today I'm with my strong niece, Madi Harward, and my brother-in-law, Brian Harward, both locals here in the Wasatch Front.
I think something like all trails might call this relentless. I don't know about that.
We're entering the upper basin. Went just over 2 miles with about 2,300 feet of climb. So final push here.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think that's Wilson Peak right there. Going down into this basin and then up to that tiny little saddle over there. That was the view Kari and I got looking this way into. No, we weren't over there. Here.
Two and a half miles with 3,000 feet of climb. Gobbler's Knob.
Good.
Watch your head. Tall people.
Our spring during the
I see it. My first exposure to ultra running was 20 years ago, in 2004, when I first crewed my brother-in-law, Brian Harward, who I'm running with today, in the Wasatch 100. At the time, I had no idea what ultra running really was. 1 year later, in 2005, I decided I was going to run 30 miles for my 30th birthday. While I was training, my brother-in-law, Brian Harward, asked me to pace him in the Wasatch 100. I still had no idea really what I was doing, but I decided to step in and do it anyhow. So yes, that year, in 2005, I paced him in a small section of the Wasatch 100. And it was then that I was hooked on this amazing sport of ultra running.
Wow.
Super cool.
Wow, look at this. We just finished our loop, so we went up the basin there, up to the summit, and then we ran around the back side of the hill, mountain, it's not a hill, and we just finished the loop. So yeah, we went up there and now we're heading back down to the car. About 3,300 feet to climb. I think it's gonna be about 7 miles. Thank you, Wasatch Front, for a great run. Time for the long drive home.